Rizky with What's Going On channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use an app which is easy for your work in your office. So if you want to scan your documents file in your work, you don't need scanning machine anymore, because by your phone you scan in everywhere, anytime, easily, based on what you need. With this app, it will automatically portrait and landscape view based on what you want. Let's go check it out. After we prepare documents, and then the next step, let's go to the Cam Scanner application, and then you will find the camera icon will appear in the middle part of bottom of your screen, and then let's open into camera mode. Press the camera icon to capture the image. After the image has been captured, you then have the option to review your photo, and then press the symbol of this if you like to take the picture after you crop the photo. After that, choose the kinds of color of your scanning, and then you press the next symbol to advance. And the process image for completion. Once you have finished scanning, you receive and press share and make 2 PDF files, and you can share by using WhatsApp, email, Telegram, whatever you want to send. That's all from this channel, how to scan a file document by using Cam Scanner. I hope this video will be really useful for you all, and you can use in your work, in your daily work easily. See you in the next tutorial.